This is my my new favorite tool. So I just put this one in. These radiator brackets I made became the world's largest pain in the ass. Especially since I have to take this car apart a bunch of times. Now you gotta hold the nut on the back side. That's a pain in the ass. Ain't nobody got time for that. So this is my new favorite tool. We're not going to use those nuts and bolts anymore. So this is my new Astro nutsert gun. Get the proper guy on there. Thread that on all the way. Hold the back side. And then turn it like half thread. Alright, so that's set up. These are M6 bolts, which are the same as the fender bolts and most Mazda bolts. And for M6 bolt, use a 3/8 drill bit. Alright, shove that in there. Just take a little bit of muscles. Alright, it's in there. Watch this shit. This was see, it's the factory, or not the color I painted. These were the factory fender bolts, and I put clean ones in there to match. I'll eventually get all new hardware, but we'll just start that. Watch how awesome this is. Done. Now you just pop it in and out. I'm gonna use this nutsert gun on everything. Fuck the nut and bolt method.